Hi, my name's Vanessa. I'm a civil engineer and I'm going to give you 5 tips on how I survived engineering school. My number 1 tip is plan ahead. Usually the classes would have some sort of syllabus or schedule so that you know when exams were going to be. So what I would do is write it down in my planner and figure out when exactly those exams were and how much time I needed to take to study for those exams. So planning ahead relaxes me and gives me less stress from preparing for an exam. Number 2 tip for surviving engineering school is studying with a group. I know not everybody likes studying with a group. I personally liked a little combination of both, either studying alone or studying with a group, because when you study with a group, you're able to work through some problems that you might have struggled with. And secondly, if you do know the problems or know how to solve the problems, it really helps being able to write it down and teach somebody else. And that shows that you really know the topic. So definitely studying with a group helped a lot. Number 3 for surviving engineering school is attending tutoring sessions or TA sessions. So this is very similar to tip number 2, which is studying with a group. It is very similar because there's going to be a lot of people who may be also asking the TA a lot of questions, but it's a great way to ask questions or even learn additional information that can help you understand the concepts a bit more. Tip number 4 for surviving engineering school is practicing problems. I know I already mentioned going to tutoring sessions and studying with the group. Really, it all comes down to practicing problems, because these are the concepts that you should be able to understand as an engineer. And if you don't understand it right away, that's totally fine. That's why practicing problems is really important, to understand those concepts. So practice makes better. And final tip for how I survived engineering school is don't be afraid to fail. I know I gave all these tips on how to do well in your classes, but basically it's okay to fail. I have failed and I've known many people who have failed, and a lot of the times it's hope the curve is in your favor. But basically it's okay to fail. It's okay if you are struggling and you have to take a class again. Like, as long as you don't give up and figure out why you are doing this, or understand why you exactly are you pursuing engineering, that will help you survive engineering school. Just keep going. Honestly, like, nobody is a natural genius. Maybe there are some natural geniuses out there, but really, I would suggest, don't be afraid of failure and you'll succeed. So that is my 5th and final tip on how I survived engineering school. If you have any other tips for engineers who are in school right now, please leave it in the comment section below. And if you want to see more videos, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.